Admin is able to manage the user in Sunfish HR systems such as resetting password, change the user status and user type, as well as giving specific function authorization to the user. This video will show you how to manage users in Sunfish HR service. Go to Setting, System Setting, Access Management, User Management menu. Afterwards, you'll see the records of username. Let's take a look at the existing record in advance. Click one of the username links. Once you click, you will open an Edit User page. You'll see the user's information and access group. In user's information, you can update the screen name, email, user status and user type. Besides, you can also reset the password by selecting yes in the checkbox. Once you select yes, and then submit the changes, the system will generate a new password for the selected user. Afterwards, the password will be sent to user by email. In user status field, you can select several options. Active means the user is able to sign into the system. Inactive means the user is unable to sign into the system. Blocked means the user is blocked for a few minutes by the system if the user's logging attempt is failed. Locked means the user is unable to sign into the system, and there is no alert if the user is logged. In user type field, there are three options. Guest is the non-employee user who is given some certain accesses into the system. For example, commissioner of the company. Passive is the employee user who is able to view their own data or subordinates' data. Also, is able to create or approve the request. Admin is the employee user who is given more accesses compared to the guest and passive user. The admin will use the system for processing and reporting purposes. You can also edit the employee name using the suggestion tick icon to make a selection. Besides, you can also change the time setting. In Access Group, you can manage the group that an employee can access. You can select one or multiple access groups to give the user access to certain functions in Sunfish HR service. Then, move the selection to the right box. Remove the selection by clicking this button. When done, you'll see two buttons at the bottom of the page. Click Cancel to abort making any changes and return to the previous page. Click Submit to update the changes. Then, your data will be successfully updated. Besides, there is an Add mode in this page. Click the plus button to open the Add page. It is similar to the Edit page, only a field that is not provided in the Add form. You cannot reset the password as in the Edit page. You can fill the fields with the same steps shown in the User Edit page. You can type in the user LDAP password if you want, or leave it. Afterwards, you'll see two buttons at the bottom of the page. Click Cancel to abort adding a new user. Click Submit to save the new user. Then, it will appear on the record list. At last, you can view the access menu given to a certain user by clicking on this icon. Then, the menu access tree will appear. It shows you the given access menu of the selected user. Close the page when you are done viewing. Finally, you will be able to manage the user in Sunfish HR service.